Chapter 2, Sports and Nutrition. Topic is eating for weight control. Eating for weight control. Eating for weight control includes the energy balance, which is important for maintaining a healthy weight. The amount of energy or calories you get from food and drinks is supposed to be balanced with the energy your body uses for the things like breathing, digesting, and being a physical active. Prevention of obesity. Prevention of obesity. First is balanced diet. Second is drink lots of water. Third is eating lots of fibrous food. Fourth is physically activity. 5. Avoid junk foods. 6. Follow hygienic habits. 7. Avoid overeating. 8. Balancing the intakes of calories and expenditure of calories. Next topic is pitfalls of dieting. Pitfalls of dieting. Number 1, extreme reduction of calories. Extreme reduction of calories. Person reduces the diet considerably, which causes follow level of energy. Thus, person feels tiredness and body aches. Second, skipping meals. Skipping meals. People often skip meals to reduce weight, whereas in reality, when they take the meal, they eat large amount of food. Third is low energy diet. Low energy diet, the person takes diet without fats and less carbohydrates, by which health is affected. Number 4, not performing physical activity. People often consider that reducing diet is good for controlling weight, and they neglect physical activity, which is equally important for healthy lifestyle. Number 5, taking less liquid. People often think that drinking water or liquid makes them to gain weight, which is wrong. Next is heart problems. Dieting, particularly when done is an extreme fashion, put extra strain on the heart. Crash dieting repeatedly can increase the risk of heart attack. Next is risk of obesity. Risk of obesity. Diet causes dieters to become more overweight, lead to eating disorders, and increase the risk of obesity and diabetes for future generation. Next is side effects. Side effects. When dieters cut out a large portion of the calories they normally consume, This can very easily lead to caloric and nutritional deficiencies, can cause a host of side effects. Next is emotional dangers. Emotional dangers. Emotional dangers. Excessive dieters can likely to become depressed and suffer from insomnia, become sad and lonely, and lose interest in doing things. Next is mental dangers. Mental dangers. Obsessive dieting can cause the inability to be mentally alert. Slower reaction time makes the person more likely to cause or be involved in accidents. Next is food intolerance. Food intolerance. Food intolerance is food intolerance means that individual elements of certain foods cannot be properly processed by our digestive system. Food intolerance means that individual elements of certain foods cannot be properly processed by our digestive system. A food intolerance or a food sensitivity occurs when a person has difficulty digesting a particular food. Sign and symptoms. Food intolerance, sign and symptoms. Symptoms of food intolerance vary greatly. Food intolerance symptoms usually begin about half an hour after eating or drinking the food in question, but sometimes symptoms may delayed up to 48 hours. Symptoms of food intolerance can include sweating, rapid breathing, headache, migraine, etc. Breathing problems, asthma, like allergy. Next is causes. Food intolerance is caused by the partial or complete absence of activity of the enzymes responsible for breaking down or absorbing the food elements. Management. Food intolerance management. Individual can try minor changes of diet to exclude food can be reaction. Person with food intolerance problem should seek expert medical and dietitian help. Next is food myths. Food myths. There are many food myths that range from mildly amusing to downright bizarre. Many people just believe everything they hear or read, but in actually one should ask question and research the topic if one really wants to get to the truth. Number one, food myths. Drinking water in between your meals will mess up your digestion. Drinking water will fill you up, it certainly will not damage your digestive process. It might even do your system a world of food. Second is the skin of an apple contains no nutrients. The apple peel in fact is known to have a high concentration of antioxidants. Unfortunately, nowadays the apples available in the market are polished with wax to make them look shiny and glossy. Number 3, eating after 7 p.m. will make you fat. Experts say that is not when you eat that can make you fat. Next is having milk immediately after eating fish. Some believe that the combination makes you sick, while some believes in makes spots appear on your skin. Next is drinking lots of milk. Fact, milk is a wonderful source of calcium, protein, and also important minerals, phosphorus, and magnesium. But more than 2 cups a day could lead to iron absorption issues, which results in anemia. Next is eating ghee after pregnancy. Eating ghee after pregnancy. Sometimes new mothers are fed ghee, then laddus post delivery to help their bodies heal. Next is low fat milk has less calcium than full fat milk. Skimmed and semi-skimmed actually have more calcium because it is in watery part and not in creamy part of milk. Next is vegetarian cannot build muscles. Vegetarian can also build muscles as meat eaters by getting their proteins from vegetables such as ghee, cheese, nuts, pulses, etc. Last is healthy food is expensive. Healthy food is expensive. Tinned, stored, packaged food is expensive, whereas local and seasonal food is expensive. Second chapter, sports and nutrition, finish.